Sharad Pawar ji, leaders of the NCP and dear friends from the press. I am extremely happy that I am welcomed to the NCP fold by the senior most politician of the country, Pawar Saab. I am happy to be in the NCP because I had a long association with the NCP, and so this is not a new experiment. Probably I can feel this as a homecoming. In fact, many difficult situations the Congress party has been passing through. I had the privilege and I had the opportunity to work with Pawar Saab in the most difficult days for the Congress party. Subsequently, we were in two parties and I have been working for the Congress party. Most of you are very close to me, and when I was in charge of Delhi for the ICC. Today I feel, I'm not going into the reasons why I left Congress party and joined the NCP, but briefly I can tell you that today what is needed is the unity of the opposition, and the united opposition should emerge as an alternative against the BJP. I want to say that I do not see that initiative very much from the party in which I was a member. And I'm sure that Pawar Saab, his seniority, his leadership and his contact will be most effective in forging a unity of the opposition in this country against the misdeeds of the BJP government. So I am happy to be here in a party which is a functioning party, which is an active party, a party moving with direction. I am grateful to Pawar Saab, to Prafulji and all the officers of the NCP that I am getting this opportunity to associate with them and work for the future. As Pawar Saab said, I come from the state of Kerala, and Kerala is a political fight between two united fronts. One is UDF led by Congress and one is LDF led by CPM. NCP is a partner of the LDF, Left Democratic Front, for the last 40 years. I was also then part of the LDF at that time as part of the erstwhile congresses at the NCP. So my association with CPM or the left parties are not a new thing. In fact, 40 years back, we only mooted the idea of a left and democratic unity in Kerala. We formed an alliance with the left parties in Kerala, and we fought an election. We became successful, and I was also a minister in the cabinet of Mr. Nayanar, the senior leader of the Communist Party. Today, when I join NCP, I become part of the LDF. As suggested by Pawar Saab, I have given the direction that I should be traveling throughout the state of Kerala and work for the LDF. LDF, of course, I have been on the other camp, but the country needs today the left unity, and the left and the Democratic parties come together to forge a unity. In that angle, I think that, it is the duty of every, citizen of the country to support a coalition of that kind. So, as a member of the NCP, I will also be, from tomorrow onwards, I will be touring the state of Kerala and will be working for the LDF. Today, the Chief Minister of Kerala called Pawar Saab and requested that I should be campaigning for the United Front. I promised Pawar Saab that LDF will come back to power in the state of Kerala, and I will work hard for the success of the LDF. NCP party all over India, wherever it is weak, people expect that a party with Congress culture has to emerge. They should lead the unity of the opposition. And people are looking for the leadership of Pawar Saab. And I'm extremely happy to be working under him. I thank him once again. And I will be working as a true soldier of the NCP from today onwards. I thank all of you. Once again, I thank Pawar Saab and all other colleagues. Thank you very much.